If you want to schedule a meeting with a few or more people, but you don't know what's the best time for everyone to meet, then you might want to consider using Google Calendar's Find a Time feature. As long as the people you're meeting with have at least shared their free or busy times with you on their calendar, this feature should be available to you. For more information on how to allow others to see your free and busy times, please see the link to the video in the description. To begin using this feature, create an event in Google Calendar. Then name your event and begin adding guests who you would like to meet with. Once their names are typed, select the Find a Time button. This will give you a glimpse of their busy and free times on their calendars. Instead of sorting through this to find the right time to meet, let Google do the work for you. Select the Suggested Times button, and it will inform you of the dates and times that are upcoming where all participants are free. After you select a time, you can select Save to send your meeting invitation. Thank you for watching. For more content, please subscribe to our channel.